Hey, just a quick video on some problems I've been having with my MK-350THX. Um, these switches, for some reason, are intermittent. They cause large thumps, kind of inadvertently. I always suspected bad connections with these switches because I'd move them around a little bit or jiggle them, and I could get the sound to come and go. So I decided to pull this panel off and take some measurements on the actual terminals of the switch. What I found is that using a DMM here with some clip leads, I noticed that these switches, if I click it off and then click it back on, they kind of walk all over the place. And so that was definitely the cause of the intermittence I was having. So this is the on position, but if I jiggle it ever so slightly, I can get it to come and go. All of the switches exhibit this, which is interesting. So I pulled all four of these out. It looks like upon examination on one of them, I actually broke it open. Looks like there's some contamination on the contact, so I'm not sure how that happened. But I have two of these subwoofers, and both of them have this issue. All of the switches are intermittent. So what I did is I replaced them with these switches I had in the garage. The leftmost switch is a 3-position center off, and the other 3 here for phase, base EQ, and THX reference modes, they are all 2-position. So just to be aware of that if you're buying these. But it's a pretty simple process. Just do one wire at a time, and you'll be back in good shape. Just want to let you know.